Right, in this video, we're going to set up the Selenium in Spring Boot using the latest versions and packages of the Selenium. What motivates me to create this video is that it's kinda, there's some hurdles that you will going to encounter if this will be your first time to set up Selenium using the latest version. So let's get started. Let's make it fast. So let's create I don't know, we're going to add dependencies here. So during the experiments, we encountered bunch of errors until we covered all the dependencies that we need. This one. So we have this the Selenium Java. This is the first one, and we need the Selenium API. We also need the Selenium support, also the Chrome driver and the remote driver. So um, without these four dependencies, or for one, two, three, four, without these four dependencies, you will encounter missing class definition or missing classes during the compile time, and those are required with the latest version of Selenium. So with this setup, given that we are also going to use the web driver, we will not going to install any Chrome driver, Firefox driver, or the browser supported by Selenium manually. The web driver manager will be the one to download it for us and save it in cache and reuse it every time we call it. Uh, and so, yeah, these are the required dependencies. And next would be just to test, let's create a test. Selenium test. Okay. Uh, Spring Boot test. Before. Okay. All right. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. What class? Okay. Right. So let's get it started here. Oh, Marvin, let's reload the project so it will download. And now it's downloaded. Hmm. Okay. And okay. And okay. And let's try like what? Driver that get mm, maybe this one. The Selenium repository. Okay. In Maven repository. And what else? It's going to quit that one after using so that it will not get stuck up. And let's mark it so that we don't need to put it on headless so that we can see the output. Okay, let's try debug. So yeah, it pops up and see, and it got stuck here because we are in debugging mode and we have a breakpoint added, but looks like it's still loading. I think once it gets loaded, all of them, that's the time that it will stop. But it looks like it doesn't move yet to this part. Let's change it to google.com. Simplest one. Google.com. Okay. Okay. But why isn't loading? Chrome has not loaded. Yeah, let's move on and try again. Okay, it moves here. Okay. Ta-da! Last one. Okay. So it got stuck here because we are on the breakpoint. So we can debug thoroughly and have some inspector and see how we are going to fetch them. Yeah, right. So therefore, setting up the Selenium with the latest version and also using the web driver manager is very simple. Only adding the dependency and no other installation will be included on the setups. Pretty much straightforward. And what else? Yeah, I think how to make it headless. So I think Chrome options. Okay, that's arguments. Yeah, add arguments. Headless from options that add arguments. No sandbox. Disable dev shm sh. Okay, and let's try to put it here. And as you see earlier, it pops up right every time when it runs. But since we are going to use this Chrome options, headless, no sandbox, then we are going to expect that it will not going to pop up and it just runs hidden in the background. So it doesn't no pop up and see it should pop up without the Chrome options. Okay, all right, it's good. So that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.